Hey guys, Catherine here. I am coming at you today with another art journal page. I want to write a bit of poetry this time so we can get it open to the right place. Here we go. Okay. And I have chosen to use 3 different microns with this. I've got an 02, an 05, and an 08. I may not use all 3 of them. We'll see how it goes. I am going to write a bit of poetry, and then because the alcohol inks worked so well last time, I am going to use a bit of alcohol ink on it to color it. And then once I've done that, I will come back and read the poem to you because, well, I'm going to speed it up while I'm writing it, but also because it kind of was difficult to read the last time I did one of these. So I'm going to read it to you just so that I can make sure that you get it. Alright, and that's what I'm doing today. So let's get to it. I think I'm going to start with the O2. If we can. I like to start with my finest line because you can always make your lines thicker, but you cannot make them thinner. Once they are there, that is it. Alright, let's see. Alright, guys. That's it. I did debate for a second just then whether or not I wanted to grab some colored pencils and add elements from the poem itself, but I decided against it, and am going to call this page finished. It's not super complicated, it's not overdone, which is kind of how I like things. I prefer to have things kept simple and clean, especially if I'm going to be writing on it rather than doing other things. So I'm going to call this finished, and I'm going to go ahead and read the poem to you now. I'm calling it Dreamweaver. Wrap me in your skein, fold it up tightly till only good remains. Winding sweets and birds that tweet and books complete. Include a soft breeze and shady trees and a few honeybees. Craft this dream and make it fit. Right now, I really need it. And that is it, which probably explains why I did the floaty, cloudy background here, the stripe through it and everything. That's what I did today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like what I did today, you can go ahead and hit that like button. That's always a nice thing to do. And I would be happy to hear what you're doing today, so you can absolutely go ahead and leave a comment in the comments below telling me what you are doing, because I'd be happy to hear it. And please remember to subscribe. I'll see you all later. Bye!